So everyone keeps talking about AI agents like they can make you money just by pressing a button or just by entering a single prompt. But here's the truth. AI agents won't magically make you money or build you a business overnight. However, that doesn't mean AI agents aren't one of the most exciting side hustle opportunities happening right now. But here's the truth, guys. Most people making money with AI these days aren't doing anything crazy or building some massive startup. Instead, they're using simple AI agents to get traffic, get leads, close sales, and automate boring work. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 real-world examples of how people are doing this and making money with AI agents right now. Again, this includes actual examples you could go and copy this week. It's a super exciting video. You don't want to miss this one. Let's get to it. So guys, for the first AI agent side hustle I wanted to cover, it actually involves using AI agents to help you start affiliate marketing. And I'm going to showcase a real world example and something I'm actually doing to make money online across my numerous different businesses as an affiliate marketer. And guys, this workflow is super cool. And so as I've mentioned in some other videos, I make money every single day and every week as an affiliate marketer. And I now use AI agents to power a ton of this content and marketing strategy. And so currently the AI workspace and agent I'm using to power all of this is called i10x, which I've covered a couple of times on the channel. And guys, I use i10x to pump out affiliate content like this on some of my different content websites like thebudgetdiet.com, which you're seeing in this example. And the workflow is honestly so simple. And again, I've covered it in a video. I'll put it somewhere in the card above if you really want to dive deeper on this AI agent side hustle. But in a nutshell, i10x has this really powerful SEO content creation agent that basically creates ready to publish blog posts and guides with basic prompting. And this is how I'm creating more monetized affiliate content than ever before for my network of blogs. Again, I'm not working with human writers anymore. I'm pumping out content all using AI, and this is the kind of content that actually ranks, gets search traffic, and then generates affiliate income for me every single week. But here's the thing with i10x that gets super interesting and where some of the AI agent and automation aspect comes into this side hustle. Right now with i10x, you can actually create different automations to make all of this run for you. And that's because i10x has a workflows feature where you can create automations to handle repetitive tasks for your business. And so creating affiliate content is a perfect example of how you could use a tool like this. For example, I can build a workflow where i10x scrapes competitor websites and does deep research to find content ideas. Its agent then creates SEO affiliate content based on this research. I can have i10x automatically migrate this content to my WordPress blog and then publish posts and sends me a notification it's done so I can start adding my affiliate links to that content. i10x can even create social media graphics and captions it can post to promote the new articles across social media. It's actually insane how powerful this workflow can get, and again, you can play around with automations and agents within i10x to build your own kind of workflow. Not to mention that i10x has an existing agent database under the Discover tab, and here you can find hundreds of pre-built agents to help you with tasks like marketing, content creation, lead generation, SEO, invoicing, graphic design, and much, much more. And this is honestly way cheaper than paying for a bunch of premium AI tools separately. You're just going to rack up a massive monthly bill, so you can just pay for i10x and have all of these tools in one place. Now, if you want to get started and try out this side hustle for yourself, I will be linking i10x down below in the description box and pinned comment. And you can also use the code TOMK15 at checkout to get 15% off your plan while helping to support the channel. Okay guys, and the second AI agent side hustle I wanted to cover actually involves building entire websites from scratch just by using AI agents and basic prompting. And to kind of highlight this one, I'll showcase 2 real-world scenarios or examples that you could apply this agent for. And so let's say, for example, you want to start some kind of service-based business in your city. This could be something like window cleaning, pressure washing, landscaping, you get the idea. Well, normally it would take you days, weeks, or even months to build out this website and all of the assets for your new business, or you'd have to spend a lot of money hiring a designer to do this for you. But nowadays, you can literally get your next business website and idea up and running in minutes just by using AI agents. For example, you can use a platform like Lovable to build entire service-based business websites from scratch just with simple prompting. And here's an example. I'll show you guys Lovable in action and I'll show you guys the prompt I'm using. So I told Lovable, create a modern mobile-friendly website for a window cleaning business in Rochester, New York. Include a homepage, services page, pricing section, and contact form. You can see that Lovable gets to work, and within minutes you've got a full website structure with a clean homepage, headlines, services section, simple pricing blocks, contact form, and a mobile optimized design. And again, this isn't just a template. This is a website that you can launch and you can actually start promoting your business, and now people have somewhere to land and find you and contact you. From here, you can create a simple Google business profile for your new business and also launch some social media accounts. You could even start running paid ads to get your first customers through the door. Post a little bit of content and then go knocking door to door to pitch your services if you don't have any budget for paid ads. Now the thing is, you're probably going to fail a lot with this first business idea, or you're going to hear a lot of no's from people as you go knocking door to door, but this is realistically one of the fastest ways to actually think of a business idea and launch that business idea. Plus, once you get your first few customers, you can really work hard to get great testimonials. You can put those on your website, and it really does help improve trust in your business and helps getting future customers a little bit easier. Now that's kind of the service-based business side of things, but there's also a second option here for making money with AI agents and platforms like Lovable. And that's because you could use the exact workflow I just showed you, except you're creating websites for other businesses that you're selling to them as a service. And so to get started, you'd basically search Google Maps and find businesses that either don't have a website yet or have websites that are really outdated. You'd scrape all of their contact info, send some cold emails, and pitch them on an affordable done-for-you website service. Now really the secret sauce here is to actually use Lovable to build a demo website for them when you actually send over your pitch. I know a couple of people doing this side hustle right now. They're basically finding outdated business websites, building a better version on Lovable, and then pitching that Lovable website to the client directly. Again, you're gonna have to send out a lot of cold emails. You're gonna hear a lot of no's, but again, I know people selling these websites for $500 to $1,000 or more, kind of depending on how they package it and some of the other services they offer, but it can turn into a very lucrative side hustle when you market and package everything correctly. Again, I will stress one more time, this is really a volume game. It is not as easy as just emailing 10 business owners. You're probably gonna have to email 500 people to close one deal and work on your deal flow process. It is not as easy as people online always make it seem. But this is still a viable method. I do know people making money with it. It's definitely possible, and I'll be linking Lovable down below as well if you guys wanna play around with it, either for launching your own business website or building websites for other business owners. Okay guys, and the third AI agent side hustle I wanted to cover involves automatic appointment setting and upselling using AI agents. And so have you ever seen people post content online with captions like, comment the word guide and I'll DM you my ebook? Or comment the word recipe and I'll DM you this recipe. This is such a common practice on social media these days, and basically influencers, business owners, and affiliate marketers are doing way more appointment setting and direct selling in the DMs. But here's the thing, people aren't sliding into the DMs manually because this would take hours and hours of work every single day. Instead, they're using AI agents to do all of the work for them. And one of the simplest and fastest ways to start doing this exact same thing for your own business is to use platforms like Manychat. So Manychat is a leading messenger-based sales automation platform that is honestly a game changer for making money through social media automations. Basically, you can set up Manychat to automatically respond to people in your comment section when they say a certain word, which you set up as a trigger. And so as an example, let's say you offer some kind of fitness service or a personalized service within the fitness industry. You can create content about this and write in your caption, comment the word game plan, and I'll DM you my free guide, or I'll DM you a link to get started, whatever you're thinking. Manychat will literally see that trigger word in your social media content and then automatically DM the person with the instructions you give it. And so this is such a scalable way to send out appointment invites, sell digital products like ebooks or courses, send out affiliate offers, and send out freebies to build an email list or warm up your audience for future selling. It's honestly incredibly simple, but it is so powerful, and again, you can automate this entire process. What's cool is that Manychat also works with Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Messenger, so you can reach your audience on numerous platforms. You can also have Manychat respond to common questions you get. So again, once you spend some time playing around with it, it can become a pretty powerful sales agent for your business. It's honestly pretty insane, and Manychat starts as low as $14 per month as well for 2 connections and unlimited custom automations. Again, it's super powerful, and if you're on social media and you want to do any kind of DM selling and direct sales, I definitely recommend checking out Manychat. Okay guys, and the fourth AI agent side hustle I wanted to cover involves using AI agents to actually make creative and advertisements for your e-commerce business. And this one is super powerful, and if you run an e-commerce business or you work with agencies, you're a dropshipper, or you just want to run ads for different affiliate offers, you absolutely need to try out this workflow. And really right now, I think one of the best use cases for AI agents is using it to create more creative for your advertisements and to basically split test more ideas at a given time. Now, creating unique advertisements and copy for your different offers used to take so much time or a lot of money if you were outsourcing this. These days, you can use AI agents, and again, this is an immensely powerful workflow, and let me show you guys an example of how this can work. So to get started, you can use a platform like Verlo, and I've actually tested them out before and have been using them, and I have a review on this channel about how Verlo works. And Verlo is an AI platform that's packed with cool agents and nifty features. For example, with Verlo, you can automatically track certain niches online to find viral content that gets posted. You can also track creators in these niches to once again build up a database and pipeline of content ideas and formats that are proven to go viral. Now from there, Verlo's agent can literally take the data from the content it finds and use it to create scripts and content that's ready to post online. You basically generate a script with Verlo, choose your AI voice actor, pick the scenes you want in your video, and then create short-form AI UGC videos that are ready to post. Again, you don't have to film anything yourself, and you don't have to hire expensive UGC creators to do this for you. You can literally use Verlo's AI agent and the data it finds to create winning content formats and videos that you post on your different accounts. I know some people who are making bank with this workflow right now through affiliate marketing on TikTok shops. And I also know some agency owners who are testing way more creative in ads because AI agents make them fresh ads every single day. This is certainly a more niche use case and you have to work in some kind of online advertising, but again, I think it's super powerful and it's one of my favorite use cases for AI agents right now. And okay guys, the fifth and final AI agent side hustle I wanted to cover, it's really not one specific side hustle and it's more of a framework of thinking, and that's really to use AI agents to save time for yourself and to save money for your business and just operate more efficiently. And really, I do think this is the bigger picture when it comes to making money with AI agents. Like I said in the intro, you can't just type in one prompt or rely on one agent to magically build you a side hustle or business overnight. But you can use this technology to speed up workflows, remove friction, and save time and money. You just have to get creative with how you approach problems. And again, I'll share some more personal examples here just to highlight what I'm talking about. Recently, I've set up a cool Telegram bot on OpenClaw that sends me curated industry news in the side hustle space every day at 7 a.m. I used to have to search for all of this news myself, but now I literally wake up, I have my morning coffee, I check my phone, and Telegram has messaged me with all of the side hustle news I need for that day. You can use AI agents for so many other tasks, including scraping the web and building out lead generation databases for your business. You can use AI agents to clean up your inbox and set up appointments for you. You can use them to write scripts and social media captions for your content marketing efforts. AI agents can send out invoices and payment reminders or run recurring reports for your business. If you think about it, even saving 2, 3, 4, 5 hours per week on your business by automating these kinds of tasks gives you so much time back for you to actually focus on elements of your business that drive more revenue and drive more customers. And again, this might seem silly, it might seem like people are just hopping on the bandwagon here, but you can try out some of these AI agents yourself or some of these ideas and just try automating a few of your repetitive tasks. It's also a ton of fun, it's kind of a cool puzzle, and I've really enjoyed the process of trying out a bunch of different AI agents and tools over the last couple of months, and it has made a direct impact on my business, my profit margins, my revenue, everything like that. But anyways, guys, I hope this list of ways to make money with AI agents inspires you to try out a couple of these different ideas for yourself to see what's possible. Now, results aren't guaranteed. I can't promise anything here. And like I said in the intro again, you're not just going to type in one prompt or spend 5 minutes using an AI agent and magically build a business overnight. But these tools and agents are super exciting. They do help people work more efficiently. They remove a lot of barriers to entry. And that's one of the main reasons I cover them on this channel, because they really let anyone start a side hustle or business way faster than ever before. I'd love to hear what you guys think about all of this. You can let me know down in the comments. Is this just hype? Is this real? Is it overhyped? You know, you guys can let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you. Like I said, I'll also be linking a bunch of these tools in the description box for you guys to check out for yourself so you can start launching some new businesses. That really does it for this one, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.